Hello everyone, Teeny here for Papertrey Ink. I hope you're having a fabulous day. Thanks so much for joining me. Well, I'm always excited about this day because I get to share with you the brand new release from Papertrey Ink. This is for April 2025 and it's amazing. Along with sharing the release with you, I'm also sharing some snippets of what each item can do. This month it's super fun and let's just quit dilly-dallying and jump right in. First up, we have a 3x4 stamp set. It's called Seasons with Love Sentiments. Kind of gives you an idea of what some of the items in this month's release are all about. You have two large scripty ones, and then you have several longer sentiments that go great on the outside, but grow great on the inside also. So this is the Seasons with Love Sentiments. I went ahead and embossed mine. All you need is love. You can see the need is spelled special. So that is our first 3x4 stamp set. Next up we have a 4x6 stamp set that is new to the shop, and this is all about graduation. Graduation season's coming up, and this one here is called Framed to Success Sentiments. There's a little bit of everything in here. And then there's also numbers where you can put the year that somebody is graduating. Super fun. So bring on the years because you got them all right here from 1 to 0. There's a few extra stars in here. I went ahead and did a little layering. I put class of 2025. You did it. Congratulations. So this is great for graduations coming up. We have a reflection stamp set, and it's beautiful. This is numbers 6, and I went ahead and stamped it with black ink. It looks like this, and I just love it. It's beautiful. It fits perfectly in the coordinating die set, which is a 2-piece this month. And I went ahead and die cut these out with different colored cardstocks, but I'm going to zoom in so you can see the scalloped detail on the edge. How cute is that? And I love how they layer too. So that is also new. We have a new This Is Big Sentiments stamp set. This is called Love. There's a coordinating die set that will die cut out both the loves here. One is a block letter, one is kind of a scripty letter. I went ahead and die cut mine out just to show you what they look like. They're a great size. Let me show you on an A2 panel because I just love the size of these. And then you have pre-sentiments and sub-sentiments that go perfect with the word love. So that is new to the shop this month. Next we have a 2 4x6 stamp set and the coordinating die, and this is all about graduation once more. I love that these larger greetings, this is the Bigs Congrats to the Grad stamp set along with the coordinating die, and I love that the greetings in here are, you can cut them out. Love that. So you have way to go, congrats, grad, hats off to the grad, and dream big. There's all dies that will cut those out. Then you have the large graduation hat. You have the little diploma here, smaller graduation hats, and some swirlies. I went ahead and stamped hats off to the grad. I did a little stamping with my hat and then added my little diploma here at the end and then popped it up with some foam tape. Isn't that so neat? That is new. Perfect for graduation. Okay, next up we have our last stamp set for this month. There's 2 4x6 stamp sets in this set, and which equals a 6x8. There's something special about the die set. This here creates a counter. So you die cut this out with cardstock, and you can have a little kitchen counter. And then you can stack your counter with so much things. These are little drawers too, so you can actually stuff the drawers. It's just so much fun. All things kitchen in here. In fact, the name of the stamp set is Mom's Kitchen. And this is so much fun. I had so much fun creating with this. Let me show you what I had created. See, you can stuff the drawers. There's even little drawer pulls. How cute is this? I did the mixing bowl and I stacked a couple cups. The flowers have a little vase that you can add them to, but I wanted to put them on the cups. So you have the kettle. This is actually for a recipe box, but I just turned it into a little recipe card. And you have some utensils, but how fun is this? I just think this is the neatest thing. So that is also new to Papertrey Ink. I'm going to go ahead and put these to the side, and now we're going to dive right into the die sets this month, and they're so much fun. Okay, we have a new In Stitches die set. It's so big that I had to put on two magnets, but it's called Adorable Apron. And the aprons are just so much fun. Let me show you the one I created. How cute is this? I just think this is so fun. So this is new. And then there's the dots in here. The neat thing about the In Stitches die sets, I'm using cardstock, but you can use felt. And you can actually sew. Well, they're meant to sew, of course, that's the name. It's In Stitches. So you could sew and actually do some stuffing with this, because this is all one piece. How cute is this? Wouldn't that make it a cute little gift with some cookies or something? But that is brand new die set. Next up, we have a new floral die set. This creates two beautiful blooms. Of course, this is the Into the Blooms anemones. And the blooms are gorgeous. And they're like the perfect size. Let me show you. They're layering. You can see here. Simple layering. Oh gosh, they're just stunning. So pretty. And then there's lots more foliage to this. There's even some little berries that you can add to a little bouquet. Isn't that gorgeous? I love this. Beautiful. So that is new to the shop. It's so pretty. There is a new cornered die set. It's all about graduation. There's some graduation caps that go from large to small. I did all four corners. But isn't that so fun? That's nice for graduation. This is the cornered graduation die set. We have a graduation themed Elegant Edges die set. This is a 3-piece set. It will cut out the top of the graduation hat, and you can see here it cuts out the bottom. And that is also new. And then our final die set, we have a left to layer set. This one's really unique. It's called To a Point. And I love the dotted detail in here. It's a double layer. But look how cool this is. It looks great this way. It looks great up, right side up. I just love the way these looks. And then the sizes go down in size, so they layer up beautifully. And they are, it's a 3-piece set. So that's our final brand new die set over at Papertrey Ink. Now there's a new hot foil plate that you're gonna love. And it's perfect for graduation themes. This is the Cascading Stars hot foil plate. Actually, I have it upside down so it would cascade. This is what it looks like. How pretty is this? This is just gorgeous. I actually die cut this. I actually foiled this in gold too. I didn't show this one because I got a little smudge here, but I like the gold also. How pretty is that? So there's a new hot foil plate called Cascading Stars. And then last but not least, we have a new stencil set. And it goes with Mom's Kitchen's. This is the Mom's Kitchen stencil collection. It's a 3-piece set. And look what it creates. How fun is this? I just think this is so fun and so neat. I just love all the, well, I'm a cooker. I love to cook. So this was right up my alley. But this is Mom's Kitchen stencil collection. It's a 3-piece set. And it was really easy to color in too. You just pick 3 colors that kind of can overlap each other, and you can create a fabulous background with it. So that's everything in the Papertrey Ink's release this month. I look forward to creating some projects with you, and I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll leave Papertrey Ink's link down below if you want to head on over and check it out. Thanks so much for joining me today. Have a wonderful day, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for sticking with me to the end. I have 2 more videos that you guys might be interested here. If you guys are new and like the content that you see, click that subscribe button and also the notification bell. That way for future videos, be notified. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It sure does help the channel. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.